Welcome back to Car Recap Hub, your go-to destination for the most detailed, stylish, and honest car reviews. Today, we're diving into a timeless JDM icon, the Honda Prelude, a sports coupe that blends performance, precision, and pure 90s soul in one unforgettable machine. So get ready, because this ride is about passion, nostalgia, and pure Honda engineering magic. The Honda Prelude is not just a car, it's a chapter in Japanese performance history. Originally launched in 1978, it became Honda's answer to a stylish, sporty two-door coupe with real driving character. From its pop-up headlights in the 80s to its sleek, aggressive curves in the late 90s, each generation evolved with innovation, without losing its soul. Even today, the Prelude has a cult following, and for good reason. It was built for enthusiasts, by enthusiasts. Let's talk design, and the Prelude delivers timeless charm with a sharp edge. Whether it's the iconic long hood, short rear deck, or the low-slung body that hugs the ground, this car still looks fast, even when parked. Our featured model in satin pearl white stands boldly in the showroom, with clean body lines, aggressive front styling, and that unforgettable rear light bar. Every angle whispers one thing: precision. Under the hood, the Prelude is all about that Honda VTC magic. The legendary H22A DOHC VTC engine delivered over 190 horsepower, not huge by today's numbers, but trust us, it revved to the moon and loved every second of it. Paired with a 5-speed manual, it gave drivers total control and joy. And yes, some trims even featured 4-wheel steering. In the 90s. How's that for innovation ahead of its time? Step inside, and you'll see why this wasn't just a sports car, it was a premium coupe. From bolstered sports seats to a cockpit that wrapped around the driver like a jet fighter, the Prelude was surprisingly refined. With digital gauges, high-quality materials, and a layout that begged you to push harder, it felt fast, even at a standstill. So, what makes the Honda Prelude so special? It's not just about numbers, it's about feel. The way it handled corners. The way it revved endlessly. The way it made you feel like you were part of the machine. It wasn't trying to be a Ferrari. It was just being the best version of itself, and that's what made it unforgettable. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering this icon for the first time, the Honda Prelude stands as a perfect blend of engineering, design, and emotion. It's a reminder of a time when driving mattered more than touchscreens. And for many of us, that's exactly why it's still legendary. If you enjoyed this showcase, please hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Cars Talks, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. And tell us in the comments, which generation of Prelude stole your heart? Thanks for watching. And until next time, drive smart. Drive spirited.